We are pleased to show you the 2019 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, rear spoiler, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.